How to use garlic to take a fever. Some people believe that placing a clove of garlic in your armpit can cause symptoms of a fever. This is a myth and there is little scientific evidence to support it. To try this trick, you need to cut a garlic clove in half lengthwise and place it under your armpit for at least an hour. The chemicals in garlic can enter your bloodstream through the skin in your armpit and may cause symptoms of fever. But this is not a foolproof method and the results may vary from person to person. There are different theories that explain how garlic causes fever symptoms. One theory is that garlic smell enters your bloodstream through the thin membrane in your armpit and triggers your body's defense mechanism to fight against potential threats. As a result, your body temperature increases and you start showing signs of fever. Another theory is that when you keep garlic in your armpit, it attracts microorganisms and viruses towards your body, which triggers your body's defense mechanism to fight against them. This can cause tissue inflammation and lead to symptoms of fever. However, it is important to note that relying on unproven home remedies or myths can be dangerous, as they may delay or prevent proper medical treatment. If you are experiencing any health issues, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional for appropriate diagnosis and treatment. If you have allergies, the garlic can also cause skin irritation beyond the desired effect, so it's always good to try a little bit against another piece of skin first.